In this video, I want to give you the 3 P's of lead generation. Now, these are really the 3 only ways to generate leads for your coaching or consulting business. I've used all of these over my decade-plus career, and I've worked with over 300 consulting clients and over 2,300 people and counting. I've gone through my online training programs, and I've used all of these to varying degrees to generate leads and ultimately make sales from. And so I want to break down these 3 P's for you right now. So the first P is personal. So personal lead generation sources. So what are those things? Email is still king in 2025 as I'm recording this right now, and it likely will be for the foreseeable future. You want to be getting everyone from social networks and all those people to an email list so you can start reaching out to people, broadcasting your emails and messages to those people in a one-to-many fashion. So you can use a MailChimp or a ConvertKit, it's now called Kit, or ActiveCampaign, whatever you're using, to congregate an email list that you can then reach out to, you can send broadcasts to, you can create automated sequences around to generate leads for your coaching consulting business. If you're not building a list, you are messing up. And if you're not learning how to do email marketing, it's really the hub of your personal traffic, and that is personal lead traffic that you own. So we want to be doing that. That is critical as your foundation, as your backbone for your personal lead generation system, right? I get most of my leads from it. I've built a list of over 30,000 subscribers over the years, and that has been a huge source of leads for me, okay? So we got that. Social media is another personal source. You don't own the social media, and you want to get your activity and your leads from social media to email, but social media is a great way to get discovered, right? The problem with email is it's harder to get discovered through it, right? I mean, once people are on your list, you build the relationship. That's where the sales and leads are made. But social media networks are where a lot of the people hang out. So your LinkedIn, your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube, like I'm doing right now, is a great way to get discovered and to generate leads for your coaching, consulting, course selling, information selling business, whatever you're selling, right? And so I would recommend you pick one and kind of go all in on it. Where do your people hang out? And then start creating and publishing on a consistent basis there. For me, it's YouTube. I enjoy it. It fits me. And it's evergreen. It grows over time. It's like a snowball that builds on itself. And it's where a lot of my folks hang out. And then people come from that to email, or I also use JV partners to get people to email, which I'll talk about in a second. So social media is another personal way of getting leads for your business. You don't own it. You want to get those people to email as a backup because you do own that, but it's a great way to get discovered. And then the other personal one is warm outreach, right? Can you reach out to people in your network and invite them to talk to you, to give you feedback, to come to your workshop, your webinar, your Zoom meeting, whatever you're doing to get visibility. Reaching out to warm contacts is still something that I do. I don't do it as much anymore because I have a lot more email list and leads everywhere and stuff like that. But it is a great way, particularly if you're starting out, to reach out to people and to get them to speak to you, to talk to you about your services, give you feedback on your services, all those kind of things. So reaching out to people that you personally know, people in mutual groups, is a great strategy as well. So that's the first P, which is personal. And you want to build, if you had to pick one, you would pick personal, right? You want to build an audience that is yours, an email list that is yours, that you can reach out to at any point, get your offers, give value, make an impact, all those kind of things. That is the goal. We want to bring everybody from other sources, social media, paid ads, partnerships, to the lead source that you own, your email list. That is the goal, okay? Now, the second one, which I mentioned already, is paid ads. So we have, you have personal, paid is the second P. And this one is great for you if you have a little bit of a budget to spend on ads. A great way to amplify some of your best content, to get it in front of more people. That is a good use for paid ads. It's also another place to generate leads. Now, I will caution you that if you're new and you don't have a proven offer or a proven sales message yet, be careful using ads. A lot of people think they can just throw something up, run a bunch of ads to a webinar or something like that, and make that work. In most cases, in many industries, it won't. It's very expensive to generate leads this way. And they're often the coldest type of lead, meaning they're just scrolling Facebook, they're looking at their phone or whatever. They see your ad. Ooh, that looks interesting. Let me click on that. And maybe they decide to sign up for your thing. Maybe they don't, right? But getting people from ads to webinars to events and stuff is getting much harder with a lot lower attendance rates. So just be careful with that. If you have a bit of a budget, if you can spend a few $1,000s, great, generate leads that way. Otherwise, you can use paid ads to amplify some of your best organic content to get in front of more people. That is a good strategy where for just a few $100s or whatever you can do per month, you can start getting your stuff in front of a few new people, right? So we have paid is the second source. Now, the third P is partners. So we have personal, paid, and partners. Those are really like the only three ways for you to focus and get leads from. Now, partnerships for me has been the number one way that I've added, again, more than 30,000 subscribers to my list. I would host webinars with other people. I would do online summits with other people. I now do JV launches a couple times a year to, I'll have 25 to 30 partners promoting a promotion that I'm putting on. And that generates me thousands of leads every year for my business. People get on my list, which is, again, the goal. And then a number of those people will buy my $1,000, $2,000 service or programs, or they'll hire me as a consultant at times and things like that to, and those obviously feed my revenue and my business. So partnerships are a great way to grow with some leverage faster. There are pros and cons, and I've made other videos on partnerships. Obviously, you need to make the connection. You need to, host things like summits and webinars and things like that. Invite people to it, and that is a great way to grow your audience in a one-to-many fashion. Of course, the downside is you got to deal with all those folks. Eventually, you could hire some help, like I have, to manage some of those partners. But partnerships really is one of my favorite ways, especially if you don't want to spend a lot of money on ads, you're a little nervous there, or you just, maybe you spend a small budget there, but you can't really scale that well with ads, which is many people. You're building your personal content, your stuff, but it's taking a while. Partnerships can be a great way to get more leads faster and put you on the map faster, to grow your list faster, all of those kind of things. I love the partnership model. And again, I've made more videos on that very topic. And so hopefully that makes sense. Those are the three P's. We have personal, partner, and paid. If you'd like some help putting together your own coaching consulting program or optimizing your existing one, go ahead and click the link in the comment below. I have a complimentary mini course on that topic. You can click sign up. It's free. There is an upgrade if you'd like to purchase that. Otherwise, you can just go through it for free. There's even an AI tool in there as of the recording of this video that can help you come up with ideas for headlines, how to structure it, price it. It'll do some market research for you, all those kind of cool things. So if you're interested in that, click the link in the description before stopping this video. That's it for this video. If you want to leave a comment below, feel free. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, you can subscribe or watch the video that's around me on the screen right now to keep the fun rolling. And I look forward to seeing you in another video soon. Take care for now.